Hey everybody, it is Rob from Rob Not Working, and the whole point of this is to explore things that I'd like to do if I wasn't working. So I'd love to go out on a whole bunch of road trips in an RV, drive like a really expensive RV all over the place, see everything. I live in the U.S., so it'd be cool to RV in the U.S. I mean, it'd be cool to RV other places too, but this would be sweet. So I did like a 2 week trip. I rented someone's RV and it was awesome. So I'm on this kick where I'm just like looking at RVs for sale on Facebook Marketplace. But honestly, they have some pretty amazing new ones that are definitely out of reach for me. But maybe someday a man can dream. So um, there's a lot in here. There's quite a bit of luxury RVs, and like I said, I don't get paid for any of this stuff. I'm not selling anything, but there's the King Aire here. We got Newmar. I guess I'm not super familiar with Newmar, but I guess they make RVs like luxury RVs. So this one is starting at 1.7 mil, which is nuts. It's called the King Aire, brand new. They got a little video here. They're making it look really sleek. I just want to see the inside, but I guess they're showing it to me. It's so shiny. It's so shiny. And there's different exteriors you can pick too. I like the blue one right here. This is cool. You can get different interior on it. This is when you know. Interior cabinets. Look at that. Look at that. It looks like you're on a train. This is nuts. It's probably 45 feet long. Probably a bus. Wow. Probably super fun to drive too. I mean, I would hate to back that thing up. They got a TV on the outside. This is nuts. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is better than looking at pictures. Is that a massage chair? This is insane. Everything's so shiny. The chairs look really nice. The glass looks awesome. Looks like you can climate control probably from your phone. They got stainless steel everything. They got a dishwasher. That guy, look at that guy. He's like, I'm drinking today. Wow. Looks good. Is it the generator? Outdoor freezer? The battery system. This is fancy. That looks like outside my house. Are they near me? That is cool. King size bed. Love those light fixtures in a fireplace. Oh, double sinks. Need that. Need that. Can't have one sink. If you're with somebody, you can't do it. It's impossible. They have a safe in there just in case you need to put anything in there. Wow. Sink kicks butt. That's not that bad. A little over $1 million. I'd do a Newmar for sure. Look at that. Cabin. So nice. The bed, though, that king bed with that window is awesome. I would totally get this. Totally. Look at that chair. Look at that freaking quality. But the fact that there's like TVs all over the place, like there's probably one inside, there's definitely one outside. I would love that. That'd be awesome. Oh yeah. 360 experience. You can just like travel around like it's Google Maps in here. Look at this. This is the view from the chairs. Oh, that's sick. These things like twist around too. I'm sure all RVs have that, but I think that's cool. Look at the ceiling. I feel like I'm in a restaurant or a hotel. It's not bad at all. It's not bad. Everything's gonna move around though. You know what it's like. The light under the bed is huge. Little kitchen area that you don't see. This is a nice walk-in here. Yep. And then the bathroom must be in the back. I love that. What a nice setup. What a nice setup. Fire exit just in case. Oh, this is beautiful. This is sick. I don't really care about the owners, but this is awesome. I might buy this once I have 1.1 $1 million. But that is the 2026 King Aire by Newmar. All right, we'll go to the next one. Next one was Concorde Centurion. Let me see. I think it's European, maybe. Looks like it's got a bus, like a truck, like a freight truck on the front. And I'm looking at Integra Coach for the Centurion. So they probably modded this. They probably did a little retrofit here. Wow, that is so nice. I like how it's like an all black dash and it's got like two, tablets, and then it has that backup cam, which is huge. But it's like you're in a freight truck almost. Straight up tile. It's like marble floors. I would feel so weird like going to like a KOA somewhere in the middle of New Mexico or Arizona in this. You're like, hey, what's up? Everyone else got like a U-Haul looking trailer. This is ridiculous. Pretty sure the sink is gold. Pretty sure it's a gold sink. Might be silver. Oh yeah, that's amazing. It's kind of cool. I kind of like that they have that like truck front in there. It probably pulls a little bit more. I mean, the visibility is less compared to some of those other like Class A motorhomes we've seen, but the TV outside that's just such an awesome feature. I think this is super cool. I don't know how much it is. I don't even think they got the price on here. Let me see if they have a price. How much is this? How much is this? They don't know. All right, well, we'll go to the next one. We got the Rolls-Royce motorhome. It's $5 million. How do I see it? Oh, that's ridiculous. Is this even real? I don't know. We get ads. Awesome. Well, we'll take a look at it. In the meantime, I found this place called like Anderson Mobile Estates. And Anderson, it looks like they like design these huge mobile homes that can be pulled by like freight trucks. And they do it for celebrities like Adam Sandler and Jamie Foxx. So like it's got its own like whole full bar in there. It has like a piano in there too. It's nuts. It's like a whole like filming place in there. Like you can just hang out and like film and do whatever. It's actually pretty cool. But it just attaches straight to this like big truck here. There's another one. There's this one. It's like you're in a bar. It's like absolutely crazy. Like the amount of lighting that they'd have to do, and then the amount of work that it takes to like get a lot of those features in there, doesn't even feel like you're in something that's moving. It's like incredible. And it just feels a lot different than you're in an RV. It doesn't feel like you're in like a mobile home. But I think these people do like, it seemed like pretty good craftsmanship. This one they're calling the studio. It just looks like a high-end kitchen, maybe in a city. But that's what it looks like. So I want to show you this next one here. There's these people, I think it's a family-owned business, Marathon Coach. They do these Prevost coaches, these like coach bus RVs, but usually there's seats in them. You're like, okay, I'm going on a field trip or whatever, but these can be luxury RVs as well. So this company does the interior stuff to make it look like this, which is nuts. They took their prices off the past like 4 or 5 months, but pretty sure these things were going for like 1 to 3 million. I will say, I'm pretty sure that's what happened. So, um, they're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. I mean, every square inch, they've definitely like designed it well. They built it well. It's awesome. It's really awesome. 45 feet long. This one has a fireplace in it. This one's got like 2, 3 TVs. I don't know how many Jaguars they got in there. Probably 2, maybe 3. But it is tall too. This thing is massive. So there's a lot of different ones that they have, but I just wanted to show you like one of them. One of them looks like a high-end doctor's office too. Like they have, let me see if I can find one. These are the new ones, but they all look a little different, which is why I like them. Like this one's like super bright gold, white, a little different. Not my style, but I do like it. I mean, who doesn't love a $3 million RV? Let's see what else. Yeah, see, this one's a little bit more better on the eyes. Then there's another one that I was looking up. I think this one is European, I believe. This one's called the Marchi Mobile Vienna Palazzo Superior. This freaking thing is the silliest RV I've ever seen in my life. It's silly. It's silly. And you know why it's silly? Because it looks like this. It looks like that. I feel like the people that are driving this thing are going to space. What do you think? Because it looks like a spaceship a little bit. Like it looks like those like what a cyclops is like putting on some scuba gear, or you're going to space. It looks like it really does look at that. It almost looks like the Tesla truck. I forget what it's called, the freight truck that they have. But this thing is great on the inside, not the outside, on the inside. I mean, pretty high end, really high end. I can't tell. I mean, it's probably AI on the inside, but they're giving you an example. I'm sure they don't like make a ton of these and then they sit for like years. I doubt that. I mean, this is obviously a modeled picture, but this is ridiculous. It like looks like it could go to space, and then it looks like a plane kind of. Then it looks like a high-end train. Then I see wheels on it, so I'm all confused. But the inside looks very, very nice. Again, the outside, a little silly. I don't know how I'm gonna get up in there. Look at the stairs; they're like built in. But these are all the pictures I have of it. I'm on their like actual website, and it's ridiculous. It's just this is such a ridiculous picture. I can't believe it. What else we got? We got more. We got more Marathon. Or no, this is Liberty Coach actually. So this is probably another company that does these. I should have popped this up open sooner, but no problem. Those are all the RVs I could find that were like really expensive. I'm sure there's some other ones on there. I'll probably look at some cheaper RVs too, but I thought these were like pretty ridiculous. Do I love them all? No. But if you want me to like, look at anything, expensive or whatever, let me know. This is called Rob Not Working, the channel. So I'm just looking at stuff that I do if I wasn't working. And, I would definitely drive around a $3 million RV around the world if I could. Be awesome. But I also do some other, like I've done some property videos, so check those out, looking at the most expensive homes in Rome and in Naples. Last week I did both of those videos, and I'll do some more too. But I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.